ironworks.
Copake.
Yeah, we don't know how to say it. It's C-O-P-A-K-E. Behind us you can see there's a furnace. And we're going to show you around. Looks pretty cool. We're in Taconic State Park. So,
Good morning.
good morning.
Hey guys, in a lot of our previous videos, we've shown a couple of other furnaces. This is obviously the best, well-kept one, and the best shape. You can actually see inside, yes. And you can definitely see like inside and what it was like. A lot of the other ones are like collapsed or they cemented them closed, so you can't really see what the inside would look like from before. You just kind of see that there was a structure there. So obviously it's always fun to see history, but when you get to see what it actually looked like, I think that's even, more fascinating.
Yeah, we're going to keep walking around, and there's different things here that we can check out, so hope you guys stay along. Leave a comment, don't forget to like. Thank you. We can't go in because the museum's closed right now, but I just took a little sneak peek through the window. Sorry about the reflection. It's the best I can do with what I got.
Old style glass.
Yeah, the glass is very cool. What's it called? I think the lead glass, maybe? I don't know. Gotta watch more HGTV. Alright guys, we're going to Bish Falls. We just saw a sign by the furnace. So it's a short quarter-mile walk to our next parking lot, and then another 3/4 mile to the, what would you call it? I guess the base of the falls?
Yeah, the base.
Alright, we're going to continue on and
see what we encounter.
Yeah, should be fun. Totally cool here. Hold on, I gotta show you guys this. Look at all that fern growing. I love it. It's so...
Yeah, we only have a beautiful river here.
Yeah, and there's a beautiful river, look.
Beautiful stream.
Maybe
the ferns.
Yeah, we'll get closer to it. We'll show you guys. How cold is it?
Very cold. Much colder than I expected it to be. Yesterday, I was expecting to be cold, so I dressed with more layers on, the hat on. I was sweating like crazy. It was uncomfortable. And today, I was like, okay, I won't dress like that. So today, I dressed like I should have yesterday, and yesterday I dressed like I should have today.
Can't win, I guess, huh?
Always the case. Always the case. You think I'd learn?
Yeah, you think you'd learn.
Oh well.
Next time. Get over the fact how clear that water is. It's absolutely like, it couldn't be clearer than it is. I mean,
no, it just makes it, I don't know what the word is. It's like, because it's inviting. There's so many times you see that it's very like rusty colored or dirty
or
and muggy. So like when you see this, this is water that you'd want to go in. Not right now because you get hypothermia, but right, that's for water you want to go in. If there's summer, this place is probably packed because I definitely think that people would buy this water.
Oh my god, that water is absolutely gorgeous.
And this is a spring up here, so like this is all like technically clean water. I mean, it's not because it's got things around it, but this is clean water.
Yeah.
It doesn't look, this up here doesn't look as clean as down there, but it's from the ground, so.
That's cool. It's really cool.
Yeah.
Definitely recommend coming here. What do we got behind us?
The border.
The border of
New York and Massachusetts.
Yeah, we're gonna walk into Massachusetts.
That was a surprise. She surprised me. 2 states in one day.
2 states in one day.
To be honest with you.
What?
I think Massachusetts is trying to copy New York.
What do you mean?
It looks the same.
Looks the same. Oh my
I looked
god.
across the border, same thing.
Alright, let's go check it out.
We're still original, so.
Okay, checking it out.
Hi guys, I just wanted to show you. So we didn't, show too much of us walking up, but remember when we were right down by the water, right at the water's edge?
Yeah.
Now it's all the way down there.
All the way down there. That's quite a drop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There.
There.
I don't know, my left or my right.
That's a beautiful waterfall. Hopefully you can hear me. It's very loud. That's crazy. Look how it splits across the rock, like on one side, the other side. It's so cool.
Like I'm not even here.
Like Chris isn't even here. No, but Chris did bring up a good point. What would happen if water just cut that rock and it fell down? I mean, that'd be pretty crazy.
Big splash.
Big splash. We made it to the base. Look at that. That's so cool. Okay. We gotta wait too long. Alright, 1 second. Oh my gosh, it's raining. We thought
it was cold before.
No, we thought it was from the waterfall, but nope. It's raining. Pouring. Okay. So we found some shelter underneath these evergreen trees, and do you think we'll make it?
I don't know. I'll eat your leg.
We still have another mile back to the car. What do you mean you're gonna eat my leg? Like I'm a turkey or something?
I thought you missed that part. You were on a roll. Took my chances. Well, what am I supposed to do, okay? Listen. Survival.
Alright, survive this. Okay, so update.
Weather update.
Weather update. It's not raining, it is now
Hailing?
hailing.
You can see it bouncing off us.
Yeah.
You can see
I'm gonna take some video of it bouncing off my arm.
It's coming up so hard.
feel the cold just like coming right off of
you. That was the longest quarter mile I ever seen. Oh my goodness, I was freezing. Like, it was cool earlier, but when you were dry, it was just cool. Like, it was chilly, and that, you know, and, not that you didn't want to be warm, but you could deal with it. Once you got wet, oh my goodness, that tire walk back, I was freezing. I was losing dexterity in my hands.
You said my hat was frozen.
It was.
Oh my gosh.
I have video.
Alright, we're gonna go check out to see what else is nearby, and, yeah, we'll keep you updated.
Yeah,
like always.
Of course. It's fun.
Awkward silence. So we just drove to the other side of the park, and we're gonna go to an overlook and just take a look. Oh, it's chilly up here. I want to go back in the car.
Yeah, it's a short walk. So
yeah, it says
one
side says 0.4 and the other sign says 0.6. So we're gonna go with 0.5.
The map is enough.
Yep. All right. Walk through some squishy mud. Yucky. Slipping and sliding over here. Birds. It's pretty in here. I think it would definitely be a fun trail to do. The only problem is we like to do loop trails. Just because it's easier, obviously, for, you know, parking, starting, and stopping. The white trail that we're on, the map said it goes for 21 miles, so going 21 miles one direction. I don't know how that could work unless you have two cars. I don't know, one time, we'll see.